Are you taking specific measures to ensure the safety and preparedness of people, especially those residing in near the line of control?
I think the line of control is an area where our armed forces have a good deployment, and they are always ready to face any aggression. And we've made it very clear to the Indian side that any aggression on their part, any misadventure on their part, will be met with a full and very decisive response. We will respond with full might, and as in the past, we've always responded in a way that India had to withdraw. So we are never the ones to strike first. But if India goes into a misadventure, Pakistani forces are ready to defend their country and to give a very, very strong and decisive response. Having said that, Pakistan is a frontline state in the war against terror. We've laid down more than 90,000 lives against terrorism, and we continue to counter terrorists in our western regions, on our western borders, whereas India, on the other hand, has been involved in transnational regression, in the persecution of the Sikhs and Muslims, especially the persecution of Muslims in the Indian illegally occupied Kashmir. And the killing of Sikhs in US, in Canada, other foreign states have spoken against that. So I think Pakistan is a peaceful nation, but let our desire for peace not be mistaken for weakness. Because if India goes into aggression, we will respond very, very strongly.